After folding these squares into a closed cube, which red corner would touch the corner marked X? This question asks you to visualize a flattened shape in your mind and manipulate it into a cube all within 14 seconds. Some people find this naturally easy, but if you don't, the best strategy is to practice, both online and even cutting this shape with a piece of paper and trying to fold it into a cube. If you're in the exam and you can't see the answer, the best option is elimination. There are only 5 options, meaning guessing has a 20% success rate, and every elimination increases your odds. Looking at the flattened cube, I like to start with the squares touching the square with the x. If the squares are touching, but the red corner isn't touching the x corner, we can eliminate it as they never will touch. In our case, we can see corners D and E are not touching the x, so we can eliminate it straight away. At this point, if you don't see the answer, it's best to guess. Either option A, B, or C. You have a 33% chance of being right, and you don't lose points for being wrong. But the answer is option C. We know this because there is 4 squares in a straight line. You can choose any square on a cube, and if you turn it 4 times, you will always end up at your original square. Given this, we know the only square other than D and E that are touching the square with the x will be option C. So option C will be our final answer.